This brand is made in China and can be purchased on Amazon, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to the other brands that are available. The RE45K tankless water heaters have digital modulating controls, and they can typically be used for a single hand washing sink in the southern part of the USA. They use 120-volt power, while the RE65K models use 240-volt power and have a 6.5 kilowatts heating capacity but use basic electromechanical controls. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.